Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 4. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. Find the mean score. Right. Here here number of innings here number of innings number of innings number of innings is equal to 8 innings, right? Now if you find the mean of score, we'll find that mean of square mean of score is equal to sum of scores by number of innings right? We'll find here the sum of the scores. Sum of the scores is 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100, and number of innings is 8, therefore divided by 8, right? Now we add all these numbers to get, here you see 8 plus 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 5 19, 19 plus 6 19 plus 6 25, 25 plus 5 30, 3 carry, here it is 0, right? 3. Next number is 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 7 18 plus 7 18 plus 7 25, 25 plus 5 30, 3 carry, it is 0, and here 3 plus 1, that is 4. We are getting the adding as 400, therefore it will be 400 by 8, right? If we divide this by 8, we are getting 8 1 is 8, 5 8 is 40, this is 0, that comes to 50, right? Therefore, thus the mean score is 50. Therefore, you can say therefore we can say that the mean score is 50, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.